this is Spectrum, and today we're moving on to day 9 of the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar. Let's open up day 9 and see what's inside. There it is. Okay, let's open it up. And here it is. Wait a minute. It's Tabasco hot sauce again. Wait. No, not that one, not that one. It's literally Tabasco hot sauce again. Was that a manufacturing mistake? Oh, hang on. Forgot a couple important things. Okay. Okay, let's I gotta open up now. Let's taste it and see if it's different or literally the same. Tastes the same as the other Tabasco sauce. Okay, trying it with the chip. Yeah, literally tastes the same as the previous one, so I'm just gonna give it the same ranking, 8 out of 10. Why would they have 2 Tabasco hot sauces in here? Like, I think it might just be a manufacturing mistake. Who knows? But yeah, that was the Chili's hot sauce advent calendar day 9. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, please hit that like button and subscribe. And stay tuned for day 10 coming tomorrow. So yeah, with all that said, this has been Spectra signing off.